Well, if you have any questions of what bike needs to be built, go to the bike rack, look at the item number that's on the tag on the bike rack, and match up your item number, and that should give you an indication of what bikes that would be in that designated location and that would need to be built potentially. And so usually the item number is located right about here. This would be the item number. You have your 20-inch bikes, kids bikes, and then you have your larger 27-inch. You'll see the size of the rim right here, right up above the item number. It'll be very good to get familiar with these numbers, so that way you can just do a spot search and a spot look to identify what bikes needs to be built. Always check with your coach or your store manager to confirm what bike would need to be, or what bike is requested to be built. But generally you have your 20-inch boys, 20-inch girls, and occasionally you'll have your 27-inch adults, mountain bike style, multi-speed, and that will be also located near or above your item number. So you look pretty full. All right, we're doing 2 bikes at a full rack. Got one here, 20-inch boys freestyle, and another 20-inch boys freestyle.